All right, we are back, and let's just jump right into the quiz. So question number 1 says, what is 6 plus 6 plus 1? Well, there were a couple ways you could have done this, and I'm going to show you both. The first way would have been our old-fashioned picture. So we would have had 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 1. So 6, 6, 1 would be 6 plus 6 plus 1. It's a little messy. 6 plus 6 plus 1. And then I could count. I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is my answer. But if you think you're moving past pictures, and I bet a lot of you are, we could have just used our facts. So the other way to have done this was to look at 6 plus 6 plus 1 and known that our doubles is 6 plus 6 is 12. Because that's one of those doubles facts that we really want to get into our brain so that we don't even have to think about it. You see 6 and 6, you know 12. So then 12 plus 1 is 13. Therefore, 6 plus 6 plus 1 is 13. Either way would have worked, drawing a picture or doing it this way. So for number 1, your answer was 13. Number 2, what doubles plus 1 is equal to 15? Well, we know that we're trying to get to 15. So I'm going to draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, I don't know if I can get these into 2 equal groups. So I'm going to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It looks like I can only get 2 groups of 7. So I'm going to have 7 plus 7, and then my 1 left over is equal to 15. Draw that again really quickly. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And all we did was make groups. So in our groups, we have 1 group of 2, 2 groups, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4, 5, 6, 7, with 1 left over. So that would equal 7 plus 7 is 15. So that's how you would have done it if you were drawing a picture. But again, if you want to be a little bit more sophisticated, we know that 15 minus 1 is 14. And then we should really be starting to memorize our doubles facts. And if we look at our doubles facts, you'll see we have 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 5 is 10, 6 plus 6 is 12, and 7 plus 7 is 14. So you could have also done it by knowing we have our 1 extra here, so we can take it away, which gives us 14. And then what doubles gives us 14? Right here. So our question is going to be for 15, or our answer is going to be 7 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 15. Let's see if that's an answer. So, which doubles plus 1 is equal to 15? And our first answer, 7 plus 7 plus 1. 7 plus 7 is 14. So if you add 1, we have 15. So your answer to the second question is the first answer. Our final question is 8 an odd or even number? Well, we didn't directly go over this in any of our questions, but I still think it's something that we can figure out. So our number is 8, and we're trying to figure out if that's an even or odd number. Now, even means it can be in two equal groups. So I'm going to try and draw this in equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you look at that, I have a group of 4 and another group of 4. So 8 is going to be an even number. But we also could have done it again without drawing a picture. If we have 8, we should know that that is actually one of our doubles facts. Because we know that 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. And since 4 and 4, they're the same number, that means that it's two equal groups of 4. And so that it would be an even number. So number 3 is even. That finishes our quiz for today. I'll be back tomorrow. Have a great day, and I will see you then. Goodbye.